You're providing internal IT support for your organization, and that's great. But what happens when people, employees, start using their home personally owned computers to do work? Should you be concerned? Let's talk about that. This talks about a concept called BYOD, or bring your own device. And the challenge is this: you have no way of knowing without installing software on someone's computer how safe, secure, or well managed those computers are. And without that, you're assuming, as they access corporate resources, that everything is safe and on the level. Is that a decision the IT person should be making? So here's the deal. Go to management and simply say this: when an employee wants to use their home computer, we have no idea if it's protected. Should we allow those computers to connect to company resources? And then the other challenge is, if you actually want to help protect them, you might add monitoring or configure a free antivirus or something. What happens if something breaks on their computer and they come and they say it's something you did? Is your organization going to take on the responsibility for providing free support for home computer users? The easiest thing to do is to say no and get equipment for people to use working from home. But that's an extra expense. And management sometimes isn't willing to do this unless someone, that would be you, Sunshine, communicates to management the risk of not doing that. So give that some thought, because not all MSPs want to take your job. Simplex IT has commits, or co-managed IT services, which is actually creating a partnership between you and my organization. You want to know more? I got a book for you. I don't want your job. Is co-managed IT services the right fit for you? DM me or email me, bob@simplex-it.com, and I'll send you a copy. And by the way, I got a book for your management boss too. So tell me about bringing your own device in the comments below. Make sure you use the right computer.